Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back in with another video for you guys. Today's video, I'm going to show you everything that I have to restore, and I mean everything. So, stay tuned. Before I continue, just want to let you guys know, got some merch. Head on over to templargear.shop. Link will be in the comments section. We have all new fall stuff. We have sweatshirts, hoodies, pullovers, long sleeve shirts. Also, we have beanies and just all the regular t-shirts and hats that we normally have. So take a look at that. Okay, so besides that toolbox right there, we also have that vise that needs to be restored. That vise that really needs to be restored. Still have this wrench. This is the one that Sherman picked out for me to restore and give to him. So I got that to work on. C-clamp, just trying to fix the handle a little bit. These jaws belong to the vices. Kind of organize it just a little bit, but pretty much just clean these up. I really hated this. This needs a proper restoration. Not a huge fan of what I did, but yeah. So that's to be restored. Really looking forward to restoring this one. I've been wanting one of these kind of wrenches for a long time. It's different than these two and then all the other millions that I have. This one probably just needs some cleaning up. Maybe redo the paint on this one, but other than that, it's pretty good. This one just some surface rust and just some oil just to free it up so that it's not so stiff. Technical difficulties. Okay, and we're back. So, ended up happening, this wrench right here was in the drawer underneath, and wedged itself all the way back there. So after 15 minutes, I was finally able to get it out. Fortunately, you can't just pull the drawers out like all the other toolboxes I've had. But anyway, this plier that just needs a pin is very similar to these ones. This is the Eagle Claw pliers. This needs some work. New pin and everything, but... And just some other various pliers that just need some cleaning up for the most part. It's just some oddball stuff. Some deburring bits. I think a punch, a chuck. This is wrench land. A lot of these just need to be cleaned up just a little bit, get some of the surface rust off. Not too big of a deal. Screwdrivers. We have the screwdriver that I made, which, now that I have this, I might make another one. Who knows? Some of these just, again, need to be cleaned up, wiped down. Blades are pretty straight for the most part, so not too bad. Speed wrench, that one just again needs to be cleaned up. Same thing with the Milwaukee wrench. Not quite sure what I'd want to do with this ratcheting screwdriver. This mainly just need to get some of the stickiness off from the sticker and just some light surface rust. This one, want to fix the jaw a little bit, clean it up just a little bit. Want to keep that patina for the most part. Up here, another wrench that has a lot of surface rust, another speed wrench. This one pretty good for the most part. $12. Everything with this, for the most part, it's pretty good. This hammer, all of the leather wrapping is coming off and is dry rotted, so I may try and replicate this. I'm not quite sure, but other than that, it's pretty good. Just a little bit of surface rust. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think this little socket set. What I might do with this is just get some Kaizen foam and make it better, because this plastic tray, it's all warped out, broken, so fix that. Mainly these just to wipe down for the most part. So right here, it's actually pretty good besides just some of the rubber peeling off. Might just do a quick wipe down with this. Need to get a charger for that. But anyway, that's it for the tools I need to restore. If you guys see any that you want me to restore first, other than this one right there, let me know in the comments section below. Have a great day, everyone.